Okay, this is an Apple A1314 keyboard. The issue with this keyboard is that the power button didn't turn on because it has some heat on it. So we are going to open, first we are going to remove the batteries. I use a clip, but you can use a coin. Then we're going to remove this part, pulling up. Then we need to remove this screw, and then we need to be careful with the next step. We don't want to damage the electronic board. So after, then we need to pull up a little so we can remove. Once we remove, we can pull out. I tried to use some wooden, but wasn't successful, so I ended using another tool to expand a little. Just be careful because it could damage your keyboard. So once it's done, just need to, you will notice that the power on is correct now.